Our next guest is Harry, and Harry is between 1.5 years old, and he was also a found kitty. And as I explained, half of our cats come from the community. People bring in cats that are friendly and clearly have been raised by people in hopes that we're going to find their owner. And what is surprising to all of us is there are so many people looking for their lost cats. And often those people do not match the cats that we have. So it's very strange that we may have, in a year, 1,200 lost cats and 40 people looking for cats and never a cross match. However, when we do have a match, it is not uncommon for someone to find their cat a month or two after the cat has gone missing. Now, I can think of a lot of reasons why that might happen. And we have a lot of assumptions about why that happens, but we can never ask the cats what the real truth is. So one of the things that we sometimes find out is that the cat developed two homes. So while the cat was living with someone since a kitten, they periodically hang out at another house. That person feeds them because they feel sorry for them. And sometimes they sleep over, and then the cats end up with two owners. The reason we know this happens is because when someone has lost their cat overnight, they often go out, buy a collar, get a tag, put it on the cat, and within a few days, they have a neighbor call and say, how come your phone number is on my cat? So that's how they find out that situation. The other situation is that sometimes cats are able to take care of themselves for a little bit of time outside. We had an elderly declawed cat who was lost for 2 months in the winter, and she was found. We had another cat that was lost for longer than that, I think closer to 4 months, and that cat was found a little thin and maybe wasn't able to take care of himself as well, but they got him back. And then we had another cat found after 4 months that had a German microchip. So that was a little harder to trace back to the owner, but they had been diligently looking, coming all the time to see if they found their cat. In the meantime, they had adopted a new cat, so when they found their cat, he had to adjust to his new feline sibling. So I guess my message in that is if you've lost your cat, don't give up. Send us a picture, continue to come in and look, put up signs, because it is not uncommon for cats to be found several weeks after they've gone missing for a variety of reasons. So we are calling this kitty Harry because he's not neutered. We are thinking it is more likely that we will not find his owner. He's probably the kitten of a cat who has been cared for because he's so friendly to people. So we will neuter him and microchip him, and he is litter box trained and a wonderful cat, as you can plainly see. And so if you think that Harry would make a good match for you or someone that you know, then let us know or share his picture.